Happy holiday, TGM. Ang wish ko sa inyo ay sana lalo lumakas yung shop nyo at laging maraming customer. At ang pinaka-wish ko ay babaan nyo yung singil sa akin.
Binabati ko ng maligayang Pasko at manigugong bagong taon ang lahat ng empleyado ng TGM Auto Care Services. Keep up the good work and hoping for more success this coming 2024. Salamat.
Hello po sa TGM Auto Care Services. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo ngayon sa year-end party nyo. To Ma'am Donna po and the mechanic team, keep it up guys for being accommodating, friendly, and excellent po sa inyong mga customers. I wish you more customers po this coming 2024. Again, Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year's.
Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon, TGM. Good quality, good service, the good mechanic. Ching!
Good day ka-TGM. Wishing you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sana kasama rin kami dyan, mga customer nyo sa Christmas party nyo. Baka manalo kami ng parapol ni Ma'am Donna. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, have a wonderful Christmas party. Enjoy and keep safe and God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi TGM, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Wish you sa business nyo sana tuloy-tuloy. See you next year. Thank you so much.
Hi TGM team! Gusto ko lang bumati sa inyo ng isang taus-pusong Merry Christmas at sana'y mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong Christmas party today. Ang wish ko for you sa inyong lahat sa Paskong ito ay mas lalo pa sanang lumago ang inyong shop, more success sa inyong mga gawain dyan, at mas dumami pa ang inyong mga customer na matulungan. To Ma'am Donna, Boss Justin, Mark, Wilson, and Jason, Merry Christmas to you and your family, and very best wishes for New Year. My sincerest thanks for all your help nitong mga nakaraang araw. Merry Christmas! Salamat!
Pleasure to be part of your Christmas program. My wish for TGM or the good mechanic is more successful business on the coming years. Continue to have a very good relationship with your clients and suppliers. The very humble Honor Donna, her family, and the staff of TGM shall gain good health and always be happy to serve more customers or clients. The very good service of TGM reflected through my referral with my friends and even influenced me to have a code name TGG or the good guy. TGM, more power, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Una sa lahat, ako'y bumabati sa TGM Auto Shop ng Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Maraming salamat po sa staff and crew ng TGM kung saan ay accommodating kapag dumadating po kami sa shop nila. Ina-entertain kaagad kami at inaasikaso kaagad kung ano yung kailangan namin. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ako'y nagpapasalamat na nagkaroon po tayo ng TGM dito na malapit sa amin at hindi na po kami pupunta sa malayo pa. Ang wish ko lang sa TGM ay magkaroon pa ng maraming branches at lumawak pa ang kanilang negosyo. At nawa ay matagal pa tayong magsasama TGM sa darating pa na panahon. God bless you all. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi TGM! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Merry Christmas po, TGM, The Good
Mechanics. Thank you sa warming na pag-welcome sa amin sa office. And napaka-energetic ng boss na si Miss Donabel. And then kay brother, the top mechanic. Thank you so much sa pag-assist sa amin. And then, nakuha na namin yung car. Malamig na siya. So, kailangan na namin mag-jacket. Salamat sa service. And may God continue bless you, ang buong company. Kahit na soft opening pa lang kayo, marami na kayong na-assist na client katulad us. So, congrats again. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po.